This is Math Lesson 1.1. Use pictures to add and find sums. In this lesson, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to say to yourself, I can use pictures to add. So this is a picture that you might come across, and I see there are some bees on the flower and some bees that are not on the flower. So if I count the bees on the flower, I have 1, 2. I have 2 bees on the flower. And I see some more bees that are not on the flower. I see 1, 2 bees that are not on the flower. So I have 2 bees on the flower and 2 bees that are not on the flower. And I want to know how many altogether that is. So this would say 2 and 2 is. And I'm going to, if these bees were to go all the way onto the flower, I could count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 2 and 2 is 4. So when I found how many I have altogether, that is my sum. All right. You might also see another picture that maybe look like this with ladybugs. So I see some ladybugs on the tree, and I see some ladybugs that are not on the tree. So I'm going to count the ladybugs on the tree. I have 1, 2, 3 ladybugs on the tree. I have 3 ladybugs on the tree. And I'm going to count the ladybugs over on that are not on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ladybugs that are not on the tree. So I want to know how many I have all together. 3 and 4 is. I want to know the sum. 3 is a part. 4 is also part. We are going to find the whole, the answer, the total, the sum. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 4 is 7. That's how many there are all together. Let's try one more. I want you to look and see how many caterpillars are on the pot and how many caterpillars are not on the pot. So count the caterpillars. And if you think that there are 4 caterpillars on the pot, you are correct. And I want to know how many more caterpillars there are. If you think there are 2 more caterpillars, you are correct. And we want to know how many that is all together. If you think it is 6 altogether, excellent job. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 caterpillars altogether. Excellent job working today.